Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, this is the video that everyone's been waiting for, even for myself, for past like for 45 years. And what is this video about? You'll hear me right. And hold on. We are doing this unboxing. Holy, you know what? Oh my god, let's get started and let me tell you how I got this bag. Alright, so I know all of you been watching Hermes unboxing video, how to blog get the bag. So I'm not gonna spend too much time to show you the bag because come on, there's only certain style, certain sizes, and I think you're more interesting is how I scored my first Hermes bag. So this is what happened. Okay, so we know that we want to make an appointment at a flagship store the day before your visit, and you want to make reservation online during the store hours. And then I'll show you a little picture right here. We landed, and then the first thing we did is go online and make the reservations, and they say we will get confirmed whether we got it or not at the same night after 7:30. And so we made the reservation, and then imagine we're tired, like 14-hour flight from US to here. And then my partner just said, you know what, let's just go to Hermes flagship store. I said, but why? We may have an appointment tomorrow. Why are we going there? And he said, well, let's go check it out so we get familiar with the thing. I said, okay, sure. So I wasn't even really dressed very nice because knowing that I'm just going to check it out. So we walk in there, there's a lot of people. And of course, I can't really film any video in this flagship store, so there's no video. But you can imagine that. And my partner, this is what he did. I cannot believe this. He told me that, why don't you just ask the salesperson, do you have a Birkin? I said, you cannot do that. No, you definitely don't do it, because every blogger said you have to make an appointment, you have to small talk, you have to do all XYZ. So I say, no, I'm not doing it. I can't, you know. So he went to talk to the salesperson in the store, and this first person called me over and said, yeah, what is your name? What are you looking for? I was like, I'm looking for Birkin35. He said, okay, well, wait here. We're gonna come to you a little bit later. And I was like, whoa, my God, what just happened? So long story short, we waited for about 10 minutes, and then the other salesperson showed up, and she asked me the same question, what I'm looking for, what's my desired bag, the color, the sizes. So I gave her everything that I think what I want. And then she said, okay, wait here, we'll all be back. And I told my partner, I said, this is crazy, because normally from my watching YouTube, they all say that you have to make an appointment unless you go to the other two Hermes store, not the flagship store, but still appointment usually is a must have. And what's amazing part is that after 10-15 minutes, she'll come back with box, like, hold on, hold please. She come back with box like this, and she say, follow me. And my heart just like, shut up, this is not happening. So basically she took us upstairs, opened the box. I was just like, holy moly, really? I can take this home today? So so that's how I scored the bag at the first day, first time at Hermes flagship store. I know I'm kind of rambling on a little bit, but I'm just very excited about this whole thing. I really feel like we just got very, very lucky. And I also want to let you know that I made the reservation right. After I got this bag, I got the message to say, unfortunately, there's no more spot left for the appointment, so I didn't get it. But that just tells you that, you know, I think everything that you do regarding buying the bag or anything in life, you should have expectation, but don't expect too much, because if you have a super high expectation and if you don't get it, you're gonna feel so bad. My whole thing coming over here is that I told my partner that if we don't get it, that's fine. It's not end of the world. You know, it's come back to fall season again. And luckily, the first day, first try, we got the bag. This is crazy. Oh my god. If any of you have a similar experience like this, leave a comment below, let me know. And now let's open this baby up. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you this now. Holy moly, let's open this. This is crazy. How am I gonna take this home? Jenny told me that she actually shipped the box back. I was like, I'm not gonna ship the box. So I wanna see, but usually I put this and I put the clothes in there, put the luggage. Hopefully that will fit. Let me show you guys this. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, guys, this is crazy. I cannot believe my very first Hermes. Oh my god. After 40 some years, my life finally got it. This is amazing. Okay. So, I'll show you that. I have my essay to pick out the twirly for me already. So this is the gray color Birkin35. You can see it with the Palladium hardware. I think I said that right. And just, we're gonna do some B-roll shot to show you guys this beautiful bag. Oh, what do you think? It's actually not bad at all. So she told me that she recommended to buy the insert for the bag. And at first I wasn't gonna get that because it's almost like, how much you said? Oh, by the way, this is the receipt. I'll show you guys that. Okay, the insert is about almost 500 euro. And I was like, oh, but she's so nice to me, and I'm already so, it's like beyond amazing about this. So I said, you know what, I'll take it. I want to make her happy too, right? So I can come back to buy more band later on. So I'm gonna show you guys a little insert. So she put everything there for me already. So let me show you guys that. Okay, there we go. So it's like this. So there's a soft insert. I'll show you that. Not a lot of people buy this from Hermes, I have to say, because this is kind of pricey. But I feel like, you know, you already spent this kind of money for this. What is the big deal spend a couple $100 for this, right? So this has a 4 side pocket, and the inner bag has a zipper around it. It is the same quality material they use for the dust bag. Let me show you guys that. If you own Hermes, you know their dust bag is amazing. So it's really, really good quality. So this fit in there. And just in case you want to see the bag, this again, this is size 35. And just open it like this for you guys. So there's a side pocket. Oh, the lighting is so terrible. I'm gonna do a better B-roll for you guys. But the side pocket here, and then back in this side, it has a zipper pocket. So. God. And then you know what? I don't know why the bag smells so good. So good. I'm gonna insert some picture how I wear this bag in Paris so you can see it. But this is my first Birkin35, and I got it at the flagship store in Paris, and I cannot believe it's happening. Oh my god, speechless. So I know this video is not all over the place, but I just want to show you guys this, and it's so blessing. And thank you so much for those of you out there praying for me from either Christian, Buddha, or any religion. Pray for me to get this bag, and it worked. I got it, so I'm so happy. Alright, let me put this back in now. So now the best part, the video is done. I can carry this out on the street. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I really appreciate your support on my channel. That means a lot to me. And I mean, I am so beyond grateful that I was able to get this back. It just so happy, and this is exactly the color I want. I never thought I can get this color, so I actually told her my first choice was blue, because blue is this year's color. This is the, I think Jenny told me this is the classic colors, so it's harder to get, but anyway, I got it, so I'm just so happy. Alright, definitely give this little video a thumbs up, share this video, and follow my YouTube video, and definitely check out my Instagram, because if you follow my Instagram, you would have seen this bag already. Okay, so thanks again for watching. I will see you guys next time. Oh, I totally forgot. Follow all my social media right here, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.